cold as ice. That's gold right there, isn't it? No. Oh. What are you? You platinum. They don't come out.
Hey, let me put my fat hand back there. It's everything.
I don't see anything that looks goldish.
It's gold-ish, but it's not gold.
That's the one I thought was gold right there. But it's not.
Too shiny.
Not seeing it.
Maybe here.
The necklace looks real. Pearls! Alright. At least the top one had some goodness to it. That looks like gold right there. That's a brand. It's got a few bucks in gold so far. And the beauty is it was opened, and it's a good sign because whoever went and opened that top jewelry box up didn't go in it.
That gold?
I don't think so.
No. Come on.
No. Costume.
4 cards.
Yeah, that's what made me intrigued when I wanted the flashlight for. It's a nice freaking toaster oven right there, man. That's a microwave. And a radio. That's nice. That wasn't cheap. Sports cards. Magazine.
On the bottom, right?
Yeah, that could be it too then.
It's heavy.
That one has a star on it. That could be a good sign.
Magazines, books, pictures, checks. Nothing intriguing. Take that fucker back to the store.
Ooh, it's heavy. Pictures. Taylor, every time we buy something, we're just freaking looking for this bags like this, and we have to find anything. And this one doesn't even open.
They flip open.
Wait, this is a lady ballerina. And the lining, she says. What is this? A military belt? No. 18 karat diamond ring. Oh, empty case, same thing.
Another one. Any more in there? Oh, that one got something. Or something?
Thought it was. Grandma. Come on, Richie Richmuff. Have some Chanel. Oh, there's a few bucks.
It's nice.
Looks like silver. Looks like silver. Looks like silver. God, if that was real. Now, 925.
18 karat.
No. This could be something. Silver. That almost looks like gold.
It's light enough for it. Send it to you. This is gold.
Does it say gold?
This is 14 karat. Italy.
That could be. Oh, Lord.
Oh my God.
No, it's not. Looks like gold. Looks like gold.
Looks like it, but it doesn't say it.
It says something. What is this? No.
Think that could be real money?
What?
Be a couple grand too.
That's a nice silver ring.
HGE on that one.
Haha. No.
It's got dollar sign in there. More change. A brush. Nothing. Some rocks. Could be more valuable if they.
Hmm. I think that's gold. Mario, look at that.
Alright, Chuck E. Cheese tickets. Just change.
Yeah.
That was half the time.
There we go. Upside down.
What's that? You open it?
Yeah, it's got. There's not $1 million in there. There's a few bucks and change in there.
Oh, it's not. I thought it was heavier than that.
Yeah, but there's like rolls of quarters in there. Dollars. Gold coins.
Oh, shit, that was a lot of dollars in there.
Nice. A couple hundred would be nice. It's raining money. Hallelujah. Loaded down for Stockton. Gonna go unbox that at the storage. So we got here so far left for Sunday. We'll take all this out to Sunday. It's nicer stuff. All sorts of cool little doodads and dingamajiggers and chingaderos and cool pile of baseball cards here. This was out of the bigger unit too, not the one that was more collectible.